The wait is finally over. One UI 6.0 based on Android 14 is almost here and is finally coming with the one life-saving feature we all need on our Galaxy flagships. In 2023, every smartphone should be able to save your life in areas where you don't have connectivity using the help of satellite connectivity. Apple was the first one to implement this, and so far it has already saved a number of lives. Recently, a man was rescued after getting stranded in Alaska. In another situation, 2 women were saved after getting stranded in British Columbia. So all of this thanks to the satellite connectivity. It is indeed a life-saving feature that Google is finally adding with Android 14. According to the news, latest Pixel and Galaxy flagships will be the first to have this feature. So SMS satellite will be added to Android 14, of course, with the compatible hardware. Phones using Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 will have the satellite connectivity. Of course, Google will add this to the Tensor G3. Is definitely going to be one of the best and the most important features of the One UI 6.0. Now, Samsung is making everyone happy because One UI 6.0 beta will arrive very soon in more markets than ever to more devices than ever before. In addition to the S23 series, the update will be made available for other devices like the S22 or S21 or even the Galaxy A lineup almost around the same time. Speaking of time, Samsung is on track with their July 26th Unpacked event for the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and the Fold 5. We've got some new teaser trailers out. The teaser officially reveals that the Flip 5 will fold completely flat when it's folded. We can expect the same thing for the Z Fold 5 as well. They're going to be using a brand new hinge. And last but not the least, Samsung is going above and beyond to make your future console, future laptop or PC incredibly fast, even smartphones, thanks to the DDR7 RAM. Yes, Samsung is the first brand ever to complete the DDR7 RAM chip development. DDR7 RAM will offer record-breaking 40% more bandwidth compared to the DDR6 RAM while being 20% more power efficient. One of the first products that could use the Samsung DDR7 RAM could be Nvidia's RTX 50 series GPU. We're bound to see some amazing graphical improvements on the future products thanks to this breakthrough. So that's all the latest news. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you guys are new here, as always, be sure to subscribe. The full hands-on coverage for the Fold and the Flip is coming, so don't miss anything. Subscribe. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.